3, 2, 1. Lift off!
Hello and happy 4th of July. Today is a day that is full of fun, food, festivities, family, and of course, fireworks. How would you like to launch your very own firework rockets? You'll have a blast with these super fun and totally safe homemade firework rockets. And today I'm going to show you how to make not one, not two, but 3 different kinds of rockets, depending on what you have handy at home.
For rocket number 1, all you need is water, Alka-Seltzer tablets, a plastic Easter egg, and a toilet paper tube.
For step 1, you can go ahead and decorate your toilet paper tube. You can add fins or a cone on top, stickers, anything you'd like. Just don't add too much, otherwise it'll be too heavy to fly. For these two, I used tin foil for the cones, and I used colored tape for the stars and the stripes. For step 2, take the top part of the plastic egg, the side that is more narrow, and place it in the bottom of your toilet paper tube. You'll want most of the egg half to be inside of the tube. Then tape or glue the egg in place so it doesn't move. Step 3, take one Alka-Seltzer tablet, here I broke it up into a couple pieces, and place it in the bottom portion of your plastic egg. Now this next part you're going to want to do quickly. Take 1 tablespoon of water and pour it into the egg half.
Quickly stick the top of your rocket onto the egg bottom. Hold onto the egg bottom only and point your firework rocket away from you and others. And count down to blast off. But be patient, it might take a few seconds. How does it work? The Alka-Seltzer tablet contains both citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. When dissolved in water, these 2 ingredients react with one another and create a gas called carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide fills the egg, causing too much pressure for it to stay together, and the top part blasts off. From one rocket scientist to another, here are some tips to create the best firework rocket launch. Make sure your egg isn't too hard to pull apart. If it's too hard to pull apart, it won't blast off. If your reaction in the egg isn't big enough to launch your firework rocket, try adding a bigger piece of Alka-Seltzer tablet. Make sure the full tablespoon of water makes it into the egg, otherwise the reaction won't be big enough. You may need to experiment with how much of the Alka-Seltzer tablet to use and how quickly to get the egg pieces together. Do you need to shake up the egg? Should you try a different egg? Maybe try it without the toilet paper tube first.
For rocket number 2, you will need a plastic bottle, some pencils, white vinegar, baking soda, tape, and a cork. Step 1, decorate your bottle. Step 2, tape the pencils along the bottle like a tripod so it will stand up on its own. Step 3, using a little bit of toilet paper and some clear string, I created these pouches of baking soda. That will make it easier to put the pouches of baking soda into our bottle. Now that we have our baking soda pouches inside our plastic bottle, you'll want to do step 4 very quickly. Quickly pour some white vinegar inside of your plastic bottle and place your cork inside of the bottle.
Place your bottle on its tripod, back away, and wait for blast off. For rocket number 3, you will need a water bottle with a sports top like this one, some white vinegar, baking soda, and a glass container like a mason jar. Just like with rocket number 2, make some baking soda pouches and place them inside of the plastic bottle. Next, pour your white vinegar in, shake the bottle, and then place it upright in your glass container. Quickly back away and wait for your rocket to reach the stars. And there you have it, your 3 different kinds of firework rockets for 4th of July. Have fun and be safe!